My name is Juan Camilo Restrepo Domar. Today I will present the topic radioactive case study and sick building. What is? Radioactivity is the most dangerous form of contamination of all. This is a physical phenomenon that is based on the ability of the nuclei of some chemical elements to produce radiation. It can be produced by air, water, or some other materials due to reactivity substance. This substance can be natural origin. Radioactivity elements are produced in the environment. Artificial origin, they have the ability to emit radioactivity, that is, to emit a partner, gamma rays, and electrons from their nuclei. Effects of radioactivity, hair loss, genetic defects, cancer comes such as the bone and brain tumors, bone marrow problems. People can may have anemia, leukemia, infertility, and fetal malformation, such as the problems in the descent relate with the development and learning to lose brains and a small school, intestinal disorder, healthy mental problems, in long exposure of high level can cause him to delete the immune system in making that enhance the risk to bacterial infection and other pathologies. In case of radioactivity occurs as a consequence of the disintegration of the nuclei of atoms. Radiation leaks in the atmosphere are due to fission iodine, and in high doses they can cause the destruction of a large number of cells and the development of cancer due to irreversible ADN damage that cannot be repaired. Although those of radiation cells can repair damage or replace cells killed by radiation, this decomposition emits many types of different radiation and particles that can modify or shape the molecules of our cells, affecting them. 50 nuclear safety measures. Sully location and Sully site must be selected for the construction of the nuclear power plant, for which geological, seismic, hydrological, and meteorological characteristics must be taken into account. For this, analysis, surveys, and observation must be carried out, which allow the design of facility capable of withstand the damage that will produce earthquakes, tidal waves, strong winds, and other adverse effects that are caused by other natural or unnatural phenomena. Official document for the exploitation before starting the commercial operation of a nuclear power plant. A series of documents must be prepared that must be approved by the authorities and that allow the activity to be regulated. Likewise, the personnel working in these plants must have the respective license, which must be renewed according to the established validity period. Preventive maintenance during the operation stage of the nuclear power plant. The different components must be subject to preventive maintenance, as well as the as tests that allow checking the correct operation of all its parts. Books and records. These elements must be included in order to have complete information and a record of all the activities carried out in the nuclear power plant related to safety and radiological protection. This record must be carried out on daily or periodic. The functional regulation of the plant must have a list of the books or documents contemplated for the records of the activities. Monitoring of proper functioning and compliance. The authorities must exercise control regarding the proper functioning of the nuclear power plant, as well as compliance with all previously agreed specification, which must be maintained throughout the life of the power plant. Environment surveillance of the area before the nuclear power plant begin to operate. Radiological background of the area is studied. Parameters that will be taken into account during the commercial exploitation of the sector. Environment monitoring in order to compare the results of the background measure and thus be able to establish any influence or affection of the plant in the area. Contaminant barriers. Within this item, there are four physical barriers that are full tablet, rods containing full, refrigeration system, and contaminated building. Technological safeguards. In order to protect contaminated barriers, nuclear power plants have a series of systems designed to anticipate the occurrence of events that, although possible, are not expected to occur in the area where power plants is located, such as, for example, earthquakes or tidal waves. Deep defense design and construction and warranties stability and tension safety of the reactor. Mechanisms that are capable of making a safe shutdown of the reactor in the event of any deviation from normal operation condition. Security systems that are capable of counteracting incidents and accidents that have not been able to be contained with the previous level. Emergency plans they include protection and issue for people, both those who will work in the plants as well as those who could attend to emergency. Administrative measures. These measures are imposed on the operating companies of nuclear power plants by the administration of the country where it is located. This is done through laws, decrees, and other regulations which seek to maintain minimum technical levels required during the construction and operation stage. Emergency plan. This is this document from the last level um, of protection in the event of a nuclear accident or a flooded test plants must contain a preventive component which seeks to now the action before any leak occurs and corrective one that contain the action in case of environment contamination which will seek to protect the population and minimize the effects. Regulation and other security documents in order to regulate accurately and completely to guarantee inclusion of security elements that establish acceptable limited values for nuclear activity. Risk matrix with that also a risk matrix it will be possible to identify the level of risk present in the nuclear power plant based on which producers and insurers can be drawn up to ensure that risks are minimized. Exercise and practice of nuclear emergency. By exercise, one could contemplate tests that put the security measure to the test for one of the identified dangers. Practice could include tests or drills that put security measure to the test for a large scale emergency, which could even involve other power plants or state and international emergency care authorities and agencies. Adopt international standard for emergency care. The adoption of international standards is important This is in order to achieve standardization and uniformity in the case of emergency, which will guarantee uniformity of the different emergency care groups that could attend to possible emergency. As an expert, there is the NFPA standard which seeks in the implement of a fire protection standard for light water reaction in electricity generating plants based on performance.